Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in hotels.com account. So if you also want to log in hotels.com account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open hotels.com application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Once you open hotels.com application, you can see over here, initially you'll be in the home interface. So from this application, you'll be able to book your stays. You'll be able to find several options for hotels over here. Grab the amazing deals and book a hotel for yourself. So if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, search, trips, inbox and account. In order to log into your account, simply tap on the account option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for settings, legal, help and feedback. At top, you'll be able to find the option for sign in over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. If you do not have an account, you can also create an account for yourself. You can see several sign in options over here. You can sign in with Google, email, or you can also continue with Facebook. Here I'm just going to sign in with email. So simply tap on the email box, enter your email address. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Now simply tap on the continue option that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to confirm your email. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open the Gmail application. You can see over here, hotels.com has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to hotels.com application. Now enter the code over here. After you enter the code, simply tap on the continue option that you can see on your screen. You can also enter the password instead. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in hotels.com account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.